Is PDFsam Basic opening but not working the way it should? Maybe it's freezing, crashing, or not processing your PDF files correctly. Yeah, issues like these can usually be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix PDFsam Basic not working in 2026. So let's get started. First, completely close PDFsam Basic. If it isn't responding, use Task Manager to end the process, then restart your computer. A fresh start often clears temporary software glitches. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of PDFsam Basic. Software updates often include bug fixes, stability improvements, and compatibility updates. If you're running an older version, installing the latest release may solve the issue immediately. If the problem only happens with one document, try opening or processing a different PDF file. Sometimes the original file may be damaged or use features that aren't supported. This helps determine whether the issue is with the software or the PDF itself. Now verify that your computer has enough free storage space and that you have permission to save files in your selected output folder. If PDFsam can't write the output file, the process may fail even though everything else looks correct. If the problem continues, uninstall PDFsam Basic and then install the latest version from the official website. This replaces damaged or missing program files. In many cases, a clean installation resolves persistent problems. Finally, reopen PDFsam Basic and repeat the PDF task you were trying to complete. If everything is working correctly, the process should now finish successfully. So if you still experience issues after these steps, reviewing the application's log files or contacting PDFsam support would be the next best option. And that's how to fix PDFsam Basic when it's not working. Updating the software, testing another PDF, checking storage and permissions, and reinstalling the application will solve most common problems. I mean, once everything is working again, you can get back to managing your PDF files without interruption. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.